Hello, it's only me. So I've just got this Marshall MG50 FX. I haven't had it long, literally arrived today. I don't know what to make of it. And I don't know whether my expectations are just stupid. And I don't know whether when I had the Catalyst 60, whether I've got rose tinted glasses about how rich and deep sounding that was, because I seem to remember it being like that. I only really got rid of that because I just had it in my mind I wanted to go back to a tube amp that I could afford, the Harley Benton Tube 15, which I got, which I don't particularly dislike, but I just wanted something, or do want something, that's got good low end and sounds quite rich and full at a variety of volumes, not just loud, because the Harley Benton didn't start feeling better until you got the volume up a little bit. And whilst I can play loudly in this house, I'm fortunate like that, you know, not all the time, and I don't want to all the time. This Marshall just seems to be still a bit tinny, really. I did a short video earlier comparing it to my 15 watt, which is sat right next to it, and it obviously does sound better, but exponentially better, considering it's a 15 watt and this is a 50 watt. It's not it's not massively better, but it is better, but you know. Ouch. I'm playing a bit too much today, nearly put a hole in that thing. Never got a guitar in tune me. They've all got either new strings, or they've had a setup, or they're new, or something. Just never in tune. I haven't put my pedals through the effects loop yet. This is obviously just through my phone. Just turn this down a little bit before blowing my ears out. This guitar sounds the best out of all of them through it as well, which is odd, because this is tone rider pickups, which are decent, but you know, you've got some Seymour Duncans in that, and this PRS is a pricey guitar. Yeah. Let's put a pedal on. Purple. do helping you out. It's my marvellous engine, my snake oil. I don't know. I mean, I know Marshall amps are like rock kind of amps, aren't they? So maybe that, oh, that's mid-range, trebly, sound is what to expect out of one. Maybe if I want something that sounds a bit deeper and richer, that's not the amp to have. Is it back to the Catalyst? It's a long way to a shop for me, but I need to go to one, I think, and remind myself what that sounds like. Or is it a Fender, you know, that nice warm Fender clean? I know a few people have said about Fender's Champion and Mustang GTX, I think someone mentioned. Obviously Steve, hi Steve. Mustang 3. Yeah, I don't know, I just don't know if this is making me happy enough, even though I like the look of it, obviously, because it's a... pedals through the effects loop, get the most out of that. Yeah, anyway, any thoughts? Any thoughts on this? Is it just me being me? Is it the amp? Is this actually alright? Is the Catalyst as good as I remember? Do I need a 2x12 to have some proper low down depth? Do I just skip having a this type of an amp and go back to a valve amp but a better one and just accept that you need a little bit more volume to make it sound right? I don't know, really. I don't know. I know one thing, I am bored chasing the ideal amp. I appreciate you can't necessarily have just one amp. Anyway, I'm going on holiday tomorrow. Woohoo!